guys, today I'm going to show my new pet to you, which is an Indian ringneck parrot. So you must be thinking, why did I get an Indian ringneck parrot? I was genuinely not thinking of getting, but I got it rescued because it was a small baby and it could not fly. So let me show you that bird first. So this is Cleo, the Indian ringneck parakeet. He's about 1 year old and it is illegal to keep Indian ringnecks in India. But as it was rescued, and also I googled, can we just simply leave an Indian ringneck into wild? So let me just show you that page. So as you saw, an Indian ringneck parakeet can only survive if it is 2 years and above. He is just about 1 year old, so I cannot just simply leave him in the wild. Probably after he grows up to 2 years, I'll probably release him into wild. Till that, I'll be keeping it. And also for tomorrow's video, I have more 2 birds. Let me just show you 5 seconds glimpse of that. And as I told about the last video, if this video gets above 12 likes, I will get another betta fish. So here's another betta fish I got. And talking about his bathing, he bathes 3 to 4 times in a week, and I don't bathe him, and neither he likes to be bathed by spray bottle. I just give him a bowl of water and he just bathes in that. Let me just show you the video. And also guys, should I change the channel's name? Whether should I keep it Zion Vlogs? I'll be doing all the kinds of things in that, or Pet Keeping Trend, all about pets. So comment down below. Does know some tricks, not he knows to do wave hand and spinning and shaking his head. Let me just show you his cage setup and everything. So as you saw his cage setup, it's a cage with a perch, and also I don't lock him in the cage all the time because it's so small. So I attached a perch directly into the cage and it is always out of the cage, and he's fully flighted. He can fly all around the house and he normally sits in his perch. Also comment questions below so that after 3 videos I will be doing a Q&A and I will be answering all the questions. So be sure to comment down below and also subscribe, like, share and comment.